how to make music videos using Sora AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, we need to get help from ChatGPT. So basically, we will simply go to ChatGPT app. If you guys don't have that app, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on ChatGPT. Once we click on ChatGPT, you will simply open new chat. So I added open new chat. So for example, I want to create music video using Sora AI. So I will tell the whole idea to ChatGPT, and I will tell ChatGPT that my music video had that CNETC. And after telling my idea, ChatGPT will give us best prompts. So we would simply copy that prompts. And after copy that prompt, you guys will simply go to Chrome. In Chrome, you guys will simply open Sora ChatGPT. So once you open it, your interface will look like that. So here you guys will see that plus icon, so simply click on that. Once you click here, you guys will simply paste the prompt that ChatGPT give you. If you want to create longer music videos, so you need to tell ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you separate prompts. So simply copy one of prompts and paste it. After that, you guys can see on right side that arrow, simply click on that. And once you click on that, your video generation will be started. At the same time, you guys can delete 3 videos. So once they generate it, you guys can paste and add the 3 prompts. So there's how you guys can generate music videos using Sora AI. Thanks for watching.